Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out what really makes people respect your actions. Respect is one of those things that we all want from others, but it's not always easy to get. Whether it's in our personal or professional lives, having respect from others can make a huge difference in how we're perceived and how our relationships play out. Today, we're going to uncover the actions that actually earn people respect. One of the biggest struggles people face when it comes to gaining respect is dealing with misunderstandings. Sometimes we think we're doing the right thing, but it's just not being received that way. Lack of confidence can also play a big role. If we don't believe in ourselves, it's hard for others to believe in us too. And then there's inconsistency in behavior. If we're not consistent in our words and actions, people can get confused about who we are and what we stand for. These kinds of challenges can hold us back from getting the respect we deserve. For instance, if we're not clear about our intentions or values, people might misinterpret our actions. Or if we're not confident in our abilities, we might come across as uncertain or untrustworthy. And when our behavior is inconsistent, it can be hard for others to know what to expect from us. It can be really frustrating when we feel like we're not getting the respect we want. We might start to wonder if there's something fundamentally wrong with us, or if we're just not good enough. But the truth is, respect is not something that can be forced or demanded. It has to be earned. So what are the key actions that actually foster respect? For starters, honesty is huge. When we're truthful and transparent, people know where they stand with us. For example, if you make a mistake, owning up to it and apologizing can go a long way in showing that you're honest and accountable. Accountability is another big one. Taking responsibility for our actions and decisions shows that we're reliable and trustworthy. And empathy is also crucial. Being able to understand and relate to others can help build strong connections and earn their respect. For instance, if a colleague is going through a tough time, showing them that you care and are there to support them can earn you a lot of respect. Similarly, if you're in a leadership position, demonstrating empathy and understanding towards your team members can help you build trust and credibility. When we lead with empathy, people are more likely to respect us. Another example is when we're faced with a difficult situation and we choose to handle it with integrity. This can mean being honest even if it's hard, or taking a stand for what we believe in even if it's unpopular. When we act with integrity, we show others that we're committed to doing the right thing, even when it's tough. By consistently showing up with these qualities, we can build a reputation that earns us respect over time. The most powerful insight about respect is that it's not something we can demand or expect. It's something that has to be earned, and it's earned through consistent, respectful actions, not just one-time efforts. This means that we have to show up every day, being the kind of person who deserves respect. It's not about trying to manipulate or coerce others into respecting us. That's just not how it works. When we try to force respect, it can come across as insincere or even aggressive. Instead, we need to focus on being the kind of person who naturally earns respect. By being reliable, trustworthy, and kind, we can build strong relationships and earn the respect of those around us. The good news is that this is within our control. We can choose how we show up and what actions we take. And when we do, we can start to build a reputation that commands respect. Over time, these actions add up, and people start to see us in a different light. So, let's recap. We've talked about the challenges of gaining respect and the key actions that can help us earn it. We've also explored the idea that respect is something that's earned through consistent, respectful actions. If you've had experiences where you've earned or struggled to earn respect, I want to hear about them. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content on personal development, be sure to check out my other videos.